What is this? This is crap. This is horrible.
Wonder if these people have Girl Scout cookies.
Huh? Somebody's at the door. Go get the door.
Okay.
Do I have to do everything around here?
I'm okay if you wanted to know. Just in case.
Whatever.
Hey. Yes, sir? What do you want? Do you want some Girl Scout cookies? Yeah. We're the Girl Scouts. I meant, do you have any for me? Durr. What a nice place you have. Do you want to come in? I'll check. Sure.
Hey, who's that guy? Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to trip you, dude. Excuse me. Excuse me. Gotta go get me some food in here. In the refrigerator. What's in the refrigerator? A bunch of nothing.
So, what do you want?
Hey! Are you cheating on me?
No?
Make me a sandwich.
Okay.
Make me a sandwich and maybe everything will be okay.
Maybe? Sorry.
Just make me food. I'm gonna go watch some TV.
We're all out of bread.
Go to the store and get some.
I've got chocolates.
Oh, okay. That'll work.
I've got to go pee. My friend. Get out! Get out!
Call 911.
No, then he falls.
Oh.
It's my problem, dude. I can do it.
Oh.
Hello? Yeah, there's a stranger in my house. Better call 911. Gotta call 911. Gotta call 911. Everybody call 911. Gotta call 911. Gotta call 911.
Gotta go.
What are you doing? It's my theme song. He's like, wait.
I'm the tough dude around here. No.
Okay, you guys do that then. Don't break the TV, even though the same boring channel is always on. There's a naked dude in our house! He's homeless. Oh. Well, homeless dude in my house!
Wait, did he tell you that he's homeless?
Maybe
he just looks really rough. Dude, are you homeless?
Yeah.
Oh, dang. I'm gonna go look in the fridge.
Why did you let a homeless dude in here? I didn't. Yes, you did. No, I didn't. Yeah! I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh, look! It's a frog! Frog! Ah! I think she fainted.
Our house is a mess.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's disgusting. You are despicable.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. Excuse me. And I'm done. I'm just gonna sit here and watch TV.
While we take a break at the video, please enjoy this boy laying on the ground.
No.
I think I'm gonna go upstairs. I want to know what's up there. Hey, sweetie, I've been waiting for you all my life. Kiss me. Wait, come back, my love. I think she died.
Down into oblivion.
Who hates those mermaids? I hate those mermaids. We hate the mermaids. You're really into theme songs, aren't you? It used to be my old job. I thought you were in the what? Never mind. The circus. I think the mermaid.
Why do you hate mermaids so much?
'Cause I hate you. Do a theme song.
Help someone. I need a bath.
I think she's knocked out. Oh well. Bye bye.
Fish killer. Where are you going?
In the fridge.
In the fridge.
I think there's something in it. Nope. Nothing. And do a split. Oh, I think I'm stuck. Ah! Not that I need help or anything. I'm just laying on the ground.
I got over it.
You think she's sleeping? I don't know, but all I know is I lost a shoe, and that this door is too tiny for me to fit through. Because you're a fat man. I'm not fat. I'm just a bunch of muscle. It's all muscle. I don't think she's sleeping. Ah! What are you doing? Ah! Ah! You scream like a girl, so do you. No, I don't. See? Ah! No, I'm caught in a net. I'm caught in a net. I'm caught in a net. No! It's a blanket. No, it's a net.